Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to apply the glass widgets and icon effect on your Samsung Galaxy device. So if you're into customization, the glass aesthetic is a new trend for Galaxy users. So you can use the Good Lock module like theme park or custom launcher packs, which will give you the icons. And you can use the glass widget app to give your widget a semi-transparent frost glass look like these. So as you can see, for my icons, I've used Good Lock. However, for my widgets, I've used an app called the Glass Widget. So this not only looks elegant, but also blends beautifully with minimal or gradient wallpapers. So let me show you how to do this. So first I'll go ahead and show you how to transform your icons to glass look like this. Then I'll show you how to get these widgets in the glass form. So to get the glass look icons on your Samsung Galaxy device, you're gonna go ahead and first open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you're gonna go ahead and scroll down and find Theme Park. Now you're gonna go ahead and find Icons. Tap on Create New, and here tap on Effects at the bottom, and then tap on Glass. Now you want to go ahead and configure the edge, lighting, and the angle. So go ahead and play around with these. You can also play around with the glass colors if you like different glass colors. Go ahead and play around with the glow. Go ahead and choose your shape. And now once you're happy, tap on Save here at the top right, and then go ahead and give this a name. I've already created mine, so this is one of my glass effects for my icons. So now once you have created it, you'll get this here. Tap on it and then tap on Apply. This will now apply the glass pack icons to your screen. So as you can see, all my icons are now glass look. Now to get the glass widget, you need to go ahead and open up your Play Store. Go ahead and search for an app called Glass Widget. So this is the app which you need. It is a paid app, so it'll be about, I think, £1 or £2. So go ahead and purchase that, and then go ahead and open it. Now in this glass widget, you get access to all the apps widgets, battery widgets, custom app widgets, calendar widgets, analog clock widgets, the digital clock, you've got compass, contacts, earbuds, a watch, the folders, you can have games, AI shortcuts, music, and there's so many things that you can play around with. Plus on top of that, you have access to wallpapers. So you can get different wallpapers as well from this app itself. If I go back to widget, if I want to go ahead and add a certain widget, so for example, this one here, I can go ahead and tap on add, and this will be added to my home screen. There you go. So as you can see, this gives a sleek and a modern look that matches your Galaxy One UI design. It improves visibility while keeping the screen clean and minimalistic. It works with dynamic color themes for perfect visual harmony. It makes your home screen unique and aesthetic, and you can even make glass icons with parallax wallpapers for a next level setup. So there you go guys, that is how to set up the glass widgets and glass icons on your Samsung Galaxy device.